What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to talk about a project that I mentioned before. I don't know if it was like maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, something like that, but I mentioned it a little bit ago. And at that point, it was in a certain stage of the pre-sale, and now we're at the final stage of the pre-sale, meaning that we are getting very close to launch. So the people that invested then, right now, at the date that we're at currently, which is the 27th, you are at a higher price than if you bought back then. And when it launches, you will see it launch at the higher price compared to when you bought. Right now, you are at the end of this pre-sale, which means we're going to see that launch coming very soon, and we're going to see potentially multiple X returns. And honestly, you never really know. We've seen instances to where we've seen returns of 1,000x. We've seen returns of 10,000x. I've seen returns of 100,000 percent, even up to 500,000%, which is absolutely amazing to see in some of these plays. Now, this is the #1 GameFi on Solana, which is Dice. So let's talk about that, guys. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to, check out any of the links for Dice, I will put all of those down below. For a Mega Dice token down below, feel free to check that out and give it a look for yourself, because I totally understand when people hear it from other people, you kind of just get an idea. Like you're like, oh, it sounds great, but let me look into it myself. And I think that's the best way for you to invest. If you feel great about it, then you want to hold for longer and you believe in it more, right, than just buying it off of somebody else's word. So feel free to check out those links down below and give it a look for yourself before this pre-sale does go live. Now, if we go into the website here, you're going to see the #1 GameFi on Solana. You have Dice, where the Mega Dice pre-sale is currently 2 days, 7 hours, 5 minutes, and 45 seconds away from the pre-sale ending. They've raised a total of 1.9 million so far, and every each dice is worth 11 cents. So 11.6 cents right now. You can buy with Sol, you can buy with ETH, you can buy with BNB if you wanted to. Only send Sol from hot wallets to this address. So if you're looking to send it, you could do that. But you can go ahead and buy. You can connect your wallet very, very simply. Now, what is Mega Dice? Already a rapidly growing global crypto GameFi brand with over 50K players. 50K players. So they have people that are using it. Typically, when you think about, let's say, a business, or you think about anything, you want a proof of concept. And if you have a proof of concept to where you have 50,000 plus players, and you have 4,000 plus games, and you have 50 plus sports and esports that you can work with, you have 10,000 plus active monthly players and $50 million plus monthly wagering. That's a big deal. It has a proof of concept. It's ready to go. We're all for that growth. Now, again, 2 days. We're going to see it go live. We have the 30th to where it's going live on Radium. You can click on, you can stake and get a 300, potentially 300%, APY. So again, this is big to be able to see this. Scroll down here. Let's see what it's all about. So you have airdrop for players, $2.25 million plus USD airdrops. Season 1. Join the excitement and staking in our $750,000 USD airdrop. Stay active. Hit a wager volume of $5,000 within 21 days. Season 2, a $750,000 airdrop as well. And then Season 3, another $750,000 airdrop. Their features: You have daily rewards to holders based on their performance. You have limited edition NFTs. You have a gaming ecosystem, a referral program, early bird bonuses as well. How you can buy, we did explain exactly how you can buy. You can link your wallet, connect your wallet, enter the pre-sale, claim your dice. The current tokenomics for this project, we're looking at pre-sale is 35%. You have airdrops for players, 15%. LP is 15%. The dice pool is 15%. Staking rewards, 10%. Marketing and KOL deals, 5%. And affiliates is 5% as well. A total of 420 million supply, which is not a ridiculous supply. Like if you see ones that are out there with 420 trillion, 420 quadrillion, like those start to get ridiculous, but you're seeing it at a price of 11 cents right now. If this gets up to $1, right, that is a $420 million market cap. That is not insane. That is not absurd, right? And that's already from where we are right now, essentially a 10x from where we are, just to get up to $1, and it's only a $420 million market cap. So as long as they can stay on point and do everything to what they believe they can do, and kind of stay, give all information, or as much information as you can, and be transparent, you know, they're going to go a long way. So you have pre-sale and marketing for phase 1, phase 2, pre-sale token claiming, allocated liquidity provision, early staking incentive, and then the DEX launch is the phase 5 that's there. So Mega Dice will launch on a DEX. This will provide the best trading environment and early liquidity. So this is a big deal. If you go over to the Twitter, you can see that they have 28,000 followers. So feel free to go ahead and follow them as well to see what's new and what they're doing. And also, you know, as you are active, you can be a part of the season 1 $750,000 airdrop there. This is one of their large whales that came on. You have $23,000 that was bought and sold right from the beginning, and obviously $23,000 can turn into so much more. A 10x would be $230,000. Now, obviously, they did their own research, and I expect you guys to do your own research as well. Again, I will provide all of the links for you to check that out down below so that you can do your own research. You can look at it and go, this is for me. This is what I see. I'm going to be able to utilize this. And not only am I going to be a part of it as an investment, but I'm also going to use the platform, which is, again, a big deal. So you can also refer. So you get 10% commission on referral purchases. If your referrer makes a $1,000 purchase in Dice, you receive $100. So that's a big deal. You know, referral programs are big. It's a way for you to potentially gain a lot in, even passive income in a way, which is fantastic. Some more on the tokenomics. So you have that low supply. You have no team tokens, which is a big deal for a lot of people that maybe had some bad experiences with team tokens. Now you really don't have that experience there. So I'll give you my opinion, right? My opinion, and this is rare, is to, I guess you get my opinion all the time, but when you see a project that potentially does something that you enjoy, maybe it's the gaming, maybe it's the sports, maybe it's whatever, it's great to be a part of that thing, right? Any way that you can. If you see an opportunity, and I'll clarify that, if you see an opportunity, then you never want to sleep on that opportunity. I try not to sleep on opportunities. Yes, sometimes I make mistakes in those opportunities. Sometimes I don't invest into those opportunities, and I feel horrible about the fact that I was ready to do it and then I decided not to. So check out all of the information down below. I'll put the website. I'll put the Twitter account. I'll put as much information as I can. Feel free to check that out. Give it a look. And if you decide that it is for you, then go and make that investment. But then you also have to figure out how much you want to invest. greed is a way to kind of stop you from making these investments in the future. And, you know, put something that you can afford into there, because it's always great to be a part of something, but when you are, you know, too heavy in something, it ends up being a downfall. Too much of anything, it can always be a bad thing. So just look into it, see if you like it, invest into it, and you know, maybe even check out the platform as you you know, do see this opportunity. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you all so much for watching again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.